In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Elementor Support. Whether you're dealing with a technical issue or just need some guidance on their features, reaching out to their support team is an excellent step towards resolving your concerns. First things first, you'll need to go to the official Elementor website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL elementor.com. Once the site loads, make sure you're logged in. If you haven't logged in yet, just click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email and password linked to your Elementor account. After successfully logging in, the next step is to access the support section. Scroll down to the bottom of the website and find the Resources category. Here, you'll see an option labeled Support Center. Click on it. The Support Center is the hub for all help-related matters regarding Elementor, and it's designed to get you to the right place quickly. On the Support Center page, you'll find a search bar prominently featured at the top. This search bar is great for immediate assistance as it helps you find answers in their comprehensive knowledge base. Type in keywords related to your query or issue. For instance, if you have a problem with widgets, you can just type widgets to see relevant articles and guides. Sometimes, just browsing through these resources could answer your questions without needing to contact someone directly. However, if the knowledge base doesn't solve your issue, it's time to reach out to their support team. Look for the button or link that directs you to Submit a Ticket or Contact Support. Clicking on this will typically prompt a new screen where you can describe your issue in detail. Provide as much information as possible. Include specifics like the version of Elementor you're using, the browser you're on, and any error messages you've encountered. This detailed information will help the support team understand and resolve your issue more efficiently. It's also essential to attach any relevant screenshots or files with your submission. Visual aids can be incredibly helpful and can often clarify complex problems more effectively than words alone. Remember to include everything within one submission to avoid back and forth communications. After filling out the necessary fields, double-check the information you've provided before clicking Submit. Once submitted, you'll receive a confirmation email acknowledging receipt of your support ticket. Make sure to monitor your inbox, including the spam or junk folders, for responses from the support team. Typically, they reply within a specified time frame, but response times may vary depending on the nature and complexity of your issue. That's it for our guide on how to reach out to Elementor Support. We hope you find this tutorial helpful and that it ultimately leads you to the solutions you need. Thank you for watching, and feel free to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.